Hi, it's Dr. Gillis here. It's hard to believe that we are almost at the end of this term. I wanted to take a moment to just congratulate you. I know how hard you've worked. You may have had some circumstances that were challenging, but you persevered, and I'm really, really proud of you for that. If for some reason you've missed an assignment, something happened, and for whatever reason you didn't bring that to my attention, if you need to talk to me, if you need to turn in an assignment late, please reach out to me so we can discuss it. Of course, I absolutely cannot accept an entire term's worth of work at the last minute. But if there was a paper that you missed or something, let's talk. Send me a text, an email, or we can hop on Collaborate to talk. I just want you to be successful this term. So here we are in Unit 7. We'll be talking about point of view this week. Please pay attention to all of the resources that are available for you in Unit 7. You have a poem by Emily Dickinson, a really great TED Talk by the father of Malala, who is an activist. You'll recall that I believe she was 16 years old when she was shot in the head for wanting to go to school by the Taliban. She went on to win the Nobel Peace Prize. So watch this video from her father's perspective. And then there is another video that I really think you'll enjoy that talks about point of view as a literary device. The discussion this week is actually a lot of fun. You're being asked to write 2 well-developed paragraphs. So keep in mind that each of your paragraphs should be about 5 sentences or longer. So let me say that again. Each of your 2 paragraphs should be 5 or more sentences long. And you're going to answer questions such as what motivates you, what you're passionate about. Is there anything that makes you unique? What are your greatest strengths? What areas would you like to improve, and how others describe you? And be sure that you reply to at least 2 of your classmates. And then you have a point of view response that is due. Make sure, and I can't stress this enough, make sure that you click on the assignment handout, read through it so that you understand the particulars of the assignment, and also take a look at the rubric. I think it's a really good idea to look at the assignment handout and the rubric before you start writing, and then after you've completed the assignment before you submit it. It's very important that you make note of the fact that in Unit 8, you only have 1 peer response due, but instead of it being due on Sunday, it's due on Friday at 11:59. Okay, so I am here if you have any questions. Of course, if you like to have some impromptu office hours, just send me a quick text. I can hop onto a Collaborate and we can talk. I hope you're having a great Sunday, and I'm here if you need me. Bye-bye.